Welcome to Busy Mommy Maid Service. This is my website that I created with the customer in mind. Isn't that a beautiful fresh photo? I love that. I really do. This is our welcome page, our home page. Need an extra pair of hands to help? That's what we're here for. The services that we offer. And we can also be contacted by phone or email, either one. And if you notice on the far left over here at the bottom, home, about us, services, and contact us. Either way you can get at us, which is great. My second page is actually about me first and foremost, a very small synopsis of why I created this company and the thoughts I had in my mind concerning it, and about the company itself. There are services that we also offer, 3 different options. And as you notice, this is very user-friendly. The available schedules that we have, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, what those services include, and this is a list of all of the things that we do in a home, depending on whichever service that you choose. It's quite user-friendly. At the bottom, you'll choose your service option. Let me see if I can give you a better photo of that. These are the options. You select the one that you prefer. We have a subscribe button here, and we used PayPal. If the customer needs to contact us, they can do that as well. We look forward to hearing from any of the customers. We have an address and a contact form. It's pretty straightforward, very easy to use, not difficult at all. If there's anything specifically that you'd like us to address when we do your housekeeping, or if there's something that you're concerned about, you can address it at this particular point. Then we want you to submit it to us and get it to us as quickly as possible. Now I'd like to talk about the campaign management. These are our stats. The interactions, 45, impressions, 3,249. Interaction rate, 1.39. Average cost, 104. Conversions, 21. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Cost total, 46.95. This is my Google AdWords section. This is my Google Analytics section. I think that without both of these tools and my applying them effectively, I think that's why we've been a success as far as this website's creation has been. I'm not exactly sure of all of the details that are required for this particular webcast, but I'm going to provide with as much information as I can. Thank you.